The Hong Kong Airlines in trouble due to coronavirus outbreak. Three Masaki ground flights and cut ground all planes and cut flights. Due to coronavirus outbreak, decide to ground all aircraft. Happen due to COVID-19. Decided to ground all of the aircraft. So, due to the coronavirus outbreak, due to Hong Kong Airlines is cutting flights around placing flight cuts and travel ban restrictions. Great. Fever virus coming in London, spreading along the airlines. And also ground lanes and cutting flights. Any of these groundings, any of these groundings, any of these, will be painful. So, due to crime, has a grant is cut flights due to the coronavirus outbreak. Due to the outbreak of the coronavirus, Hong Kong Airlines is having big trouble. What happened? Happening due to COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak. Concentrating COVID outbreak due to coronavirus spreading along the travel ban restrictions. Suspended travel ban restrictions. Suspended travel. What happened? Airlines are mostly to cut Hong Kong flights due to a coronavirus outbreak. Due to COVID-19 spreading along these airlines, get it very hard of the airlines to do the job. Ground Boeing 737, Airbus A330, A330, and also more, and also A350. Plus, how did the coronavirus is spreading along is any flight cancellations, planes grounded. So Hong Kong is facing big trouble today because of a coronavirus outbreak is impacting this airline, Hong Kong Airlines, make cancellations and flight cuts, flights grounded, planes grounded due to coronavirus, COVID-19 to the coronavirus, COVID-19 that happened. So Hong Kong Airways, the ground this airline for at least a month, at least days and months and a week, also weeks. Every turn will be grounded until September due to the coronavirus COVID-19. So Hong Kong Airlines is facing big trouble to airlines like Hong Kong Airlines. Travel ban restrictions plus more. COVID-19 spreading from Wuhan, China, all the way, making Hong Kong Airlines impacting Hong Kong Airlines. Can't be decided grounded. That's it. That's it. And thank you for watching this coronavirus update. I'll see you. Thank you for watching it. See you soon. But I'll see you soon. United Airlines. So that's it. I'm impacting there. So that's impacting airlines. Hong Kong Airlines is facing big trouble due to the coronavirus COVID-19 impacting airlines, causing the cancel flights and cut flights and ground planes.